Hey, this is Colton with Central Alps out of Arlington. We're the premier off-road custom shop out of the DFW area, if you didn't know us already. And today we've got this 2023 Ford Bronco Black Diamonds with the Sasquatch package on it. So let's take a look at exactly what we put on this Bronco. So we put a 2.5-inch rough country lift kit paired with some 35/12.50 Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. They're an all-terrain tire. They're great, some of the best out there. For the wheels, what we did is we did a Method MR703 wheel in the bronze finish with the black center cap. It looks amazing. If you want your Bronco to come look like this, you can reach out to one of our design consultants at 833-268-2577, and one of us will be right with you. If you were curious as to if these wheels and tires fit on this 2.5-inch lift for the year of 2023 for the Ford Bronco, you can go check out our Will It Fit, where I explain exactly what we did to do or didn't have to do to make these fit.